Minecraft how to make a furnace evolution. So first you're gonna need a furnace and some blocks you wanted to place. So place the block like this size. Yeah, this size. Let me set the time. Set the time down. You place a normal size furnace here. Then you want to go in the back. You want to place this, another furnace. Start looking like an evolution. But you need something at the top. So at the top we're gonna put another cobblestone wall and also another cobblestone wall. Place it like the eye and then done. It really looks like an evolution. Right here. There. It really looks like an evolution. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a crafting table in this video too. Where's that crafting table? So I thought this is really easy, but it's kind of easy and also kind of hard. Okay, first one you need to put crafting tables here. It's not yet look like an evolution. Okay, I don't know how to make a crafting table evolution, but I know only furnaces because how about I show you how to make another like a fletching table? That should count. Doesn't look good. A chest evolution. That looks good. Okay, so you're gonna do the same design as I do that time. Sorry friends, I'm gonna remove you. And then you put your chest there. Chest over here. It doesn't collect the line. But I'll still make it for the video. Because you know this is a video. I think I'm done. Yeah, it's like a full-size chest, but it's like you have no walls. But first is good. Just 1 minute, then you can see that evolution. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And bye.